I mixed cornstarch with washing powder and was surprised at what happened. It's better than washing powder. Just throw it in the machine and you're done. After I learned how to mix cornstarch with washing powder, I stopped suffering from scrubbing my clothes. This tip is great for washing dishcloths, socks, floor cloths, white clothes and towels. Before I explain everything, tell me from which city you are watching us. Guys, I would like to pass on a message that is in Philippians 4:7. It says, "And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and minds in Christ Jesus." In the world we find a peace that is fleeting, deficient and unable to fill us. The peace that comes from God is sufficient. It surpasses our understanding and holds our emotions and our mind in Jesus. This peace does not mean absence of problems, but it is the conviction that we are safe in the loving hands of the Lord. Folks, for this recipe, we will need cornstarch, soap powder, and your dirty clothes. In a bowl, I usually mix 2 tablespoons of soap powder and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it well to make it uniform. You can prepare this mixture every time you wash the clothes, or you can leave some ready-made in a jar. Whatever works best for you. Now just put the clothes you need to wash and get them white in your washing machine. And then put this mixture into the reservoir, where you usually put the soap powder, like so. Now you just let the machine do the work for you. That's it. White clothes without suffering scrubbing. This is a very good tip. I hope you can take advantage of it at home. That's today's tip, folks. Thank you very much to everyone who has watched this video so far. May God bless you. A big hug and see you in the next video. Bye.